All right, this is question 9 from ACT assignment set number 5. And on this particular question, we were trying to find this missing side length, which I'm going to call, I guess, little c to follow the pattern that's down here. And so normally sine, cos, tan applies to right triangles, but there's these special things called like the law of cosines and the law of sines that apply to any triangle. And so basically the law of sine says that the sine of an angle over the side opposite will be equal to the sine of a second angle in the triangle over the side opposite to that. And all those ratios will be the same. So as an example, in this particular triangle, we could say the sine of that 60-degree angle over the side opposite of C has to be the same ratio as any other angle inside. So we have one side length here, so I have to use that 18 as my side length, and then I need to use the angle across from it, right? Because all of these are ratios between the sine of the angle and the side across from it. So the key is to know that angle A would be 75 degrees. All right, they all add up to 180, so the two existing angles are 105. And so if you do 180 minus 105, you get 75. So that would mean the sine of 75 over 18. So now we have all numeric values here, has to equal the sine of 60 over the side we're trying to find there, the AB side. Okay, and so now we could just sort of solve for this, because I think if we look at our answer choices, we have to like solve this for C to get an expression. And so probably the easiest way to solve this is to do our cross products. So C times the sine of 75 has to equal 18 times the sine of 60. Sorry, my pen is not writing very good here, right? And then that should be a 60 there. All right, and then to solve this, you divide both sides by the sine of 75. So you get C equals 18 times sine 60 over sine 75. Okay, and I think that would be answer choice E by the looks of it there. All right, so a little bit tricky, but they give you the formula and you just have to know how to apply it to this situation. All right, hopefully that helps.